How to add payment method on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method on Wix website. So let's get started. Simply open up wix.com and you'll open up your websites. Now I'm on my websites and I can just select the site for which I want to add a payment method. So I'm going to simply select this one right here. Click on select site. It will open up the dashboard for you. Now this is our main dashboard we get for our website. So what you have to do is you will find this panel right here and you just have to scroll down to settings. In settings, you will find general, scroll down and there will be e-commerce and finance. In e-commerce and finance, we have accept payments. Now here we have our different payment methods that we can add to our Wix website. You need to keep in mind that whatever your business location is, you will get payment methods according to that. So if I choose this business method right here, I will be able to find different methods that are available for my country. So we have Stripe, PayPal available, then we have manual payments as well. So you can simply connect your Stripe now or maybe your PayPal. Click on connect and just connect your Stripe account or connect your PayPal account to your Wix website and you will be able to add a payment method really easily. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help and now you know how to add a payment method to Wix website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.